Hello everyone, I'm Vickky Bajaj and welcome to my demonstration of the Tutorial Graphics assignment. In this video, I'll walk through my implementation, showing the code and running each required feature to demonstrate I have fulfilled all the requirements from this Google form. For the first requirement, LVU graphics are properly added. Uh, I have done this in my project by adding it to the external library, and in this project project structure, you can see that I have added it through these dependencies. So yes, and as for this project contains main class server set. Yes, I have done this by creating an object in the main class, the graphics, and by extending the graphics to LBU graphics so that it can inherit all the methods in the LBU graphics, and there's also a frame made in the graphics. So yes, for this, can recall everything about and method and the tutorial animation in this page. So your code. Yeah, I can also show this here. Yes, about when I click about and OOP tutorial graphic is drawn, and it also shows that the enhanced tutorial graphics by Vickky Bajaj. That's me. And as for the about, the super that about is inherited from the LBU graphics. So it should be yes here also. Main class of Java has a main method which creates an object after a graphic and then a for present and from the object. So this in your project. Okay. For this we have to go to the graphics in main class Java. And in main class Java I have made the object this the graphics and the main frame. There's also a frame added to it. Yeah. Also, my main class has a main object, from which the graphics does all the processes. Yeah. So yes, for this also, as for in requirement 2, it tells me that I need to show you commands must be typed in text field and yeah. For this, let me read the question. The question has asked me to show a process command text field where the command should be typed before running the program. So for that, I have to search process command. As you can see, when an input command is inputted, you can see that the command is inputted here, and after that, uh, the command uh, is executed upon according to what command is inputted. You can see that in this execute user command, there are switch cases about the type of commands that could be entered. For example, about, pin up, pin down, left, and so on. As you can see, it is not case sensitive. So even if I use capital A, small b, capital O, small ut, it won't affect the code. Okay, let me show you. Okay, for example, I'm gonna use capital C, small l, capital E, small a, and capital R to clear. And without even if the command is like given in not even if the command is given capital or small, it doesn't matter because it is not case sensitive. So yeah, this is it. As well for the pin down command, you can see this. It's here and the pin down. Sorry, pin down. Wait a minute. It should be there. It should be below. Yeah. I'll just scroll. Handle turn command, movement, draw circle, square, move or triangle. Hmm. It should be a little bit down. Handle cue command. Yeah, it's here. As when lower pane is used, the pane state is uh, transformed to true, which means the pane is down. And when you move in the LBU in the turtle, like for example, if I press pin down, you can see it's pinned down in the console below. And if I type move 100, you can see that a line is drawn. Okay, so this is yes, move command. In the same way as up, you can see the move command is one of the commands in the case here. Here, okay, let me search for the move command movement. Yeah, this is the handle movement command. Uh, this is, yeah, yeah. See here, distance can be negative as well as the move command is uh, inherited from the LBU graphics. Hmm. So let me show you the move command again. Reset, right 90, move 100. As you can see, my move command is working, but it needs an parameter to work. So as you can have seen the code, it's here. The distance can be negative. Yeah, okay. Movement. Yeah, that's it. And the length of the distance can be more than 2. Okay. Yeah. Now for the reverse command. The reverse command is similar to the move command. Mm, move, it should be near to move command. So let me search move command again. Handle movement. Handle turn around. No, it's not that. Draw a circle. Draw a sphere. Okay, let me search. Yeah. Reverse command also moves from this handle movement method as if you can see if the distance is negative it will go backwards instead of forward. As you can see this forward bracket is forward question mark distance positive or negative. It is inherited from the LBU graphics and in the graphic method if the distance is positive it moves forward but if the distance is negative it moves backward. So reverse can be used by putting the distance negative. And since I need a parameter to use the reverse command, so I can only take this yes and yes. But first let me show you the reverse command. If I type reverse 100 it's gonna move backwards. Yeah, okay. And the left commands it both asks for the same code. As well, similar to my move and reverse command, my left and right commands also need a parameter. Let me show you the code for my left and right commands. Handle movement, it should be nearby. Like you can see the handle turn command. Um, Handle turn command can only be used with the angle of between 0 to 360. So I put a bound of 0 to 360, so it cannot exceed 360 or be less than 0. So there will be no negative values. Same as in the handle movement command, the same method turns the turtle left or right. Here is the code. You can see left and right, and then you can here see forward And this should be like reverse for negative forward. Yeah, let me show you the turtle. Um, Left 90 does this, and again if I press left 90 it will again turn to the left. It cannot work without a parameter. If I only press left it says missing angle for the turn command, and if I press right it also need a parameter. It says missing angle for the turn command. I need to press right 90 for it to face downward again. So it should be yes, 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 and yes. Okay, as for the pain up, hmm, wait, sorry, I haven't like done all the commands properly, so I think I will restart. Okay, pain up, pain down, move on, continuous type move. Okay, I should start by pressing move on to let me clear everything. Clear, yes, reset, move 100. See, I moved 100. Then reverse. I have to like press reverse 100 again. Reverse 100. It goes back. After that, I have to. If command works, I have to do left 90 and move 100. Left 90, move 100. Yeah, I did this. Yes, yes. Left 90 and move 100. And as for the right one, I have to turn right 90, then move 100. Right 90, move 100. After this is the pain up command. I should type pain up, then right 100. Pain, pain up, right 100. After that, what's there? Pain up, right 100, move 100, move 100. Yeah, done. It looks like I made some mistakes. Reverse 100. Hmm. I might need to do everything again because I might like type the wrong parameters. Okay, let me reset it and start from the beginning. I'm extremely sorry for this. I have to like do it from the beginning. Move 100, reverse 100, move, reverse 100. For left, I have to do left 90, move 100. And then after that, I have to do for the right 90, move 100. Yep. And after that, I have to press pen up, right 90. Yep. Now it's fine. Move 100. Okay. I might have pressed a wrong parameter for this right 90. That's why I made a mistake. Yes, I can see the end save. At least four commands such as read command working. Okay, let me show. It's already red, so I should use white. Move 100. Oh, sorry, I have to do reverse 100 because I forgot to do the pin down command. Pin down, white, move 100. Okay, let me see what colors I have used. As you can already see here, the colors I've used. I have black, yellow, green, red, and white. I just use white. Let me use green, green, then move 100, then yellow, move 100, then again red, and last move 100. I've also used the black color, but I cannot show them here. As you can see, I cannot use show the black 100 color, use black color because the background is black. Mm, okay, happen to have. I have to also show my code, so I'll show you my code right now. You can already see that I have used the change paint color to change the color of the paint. It is also inherited from the LBU graphics. Yeah, so I say yes, I have done this. I should use clear command next, and my cursor should be on the far left of the display. Yeah, clear. It's okay. Is it clear anyway? Yeah, everything is cleared. If I okay, reset command working. Type right. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Oh, yeah, I cannot type right. I need to type right 90 because my needs a parameter. Right 90, move 100. Now line it drawn and then reset. Cursor come back to the center position, pointing down. Yes. Okay, now I have reached to the validation. As you can see, whenever I write my commands, and if I write the wrong input, you can see that it says missing angle or something. Like for example, if I press XXXX, it shows error unknown command. So let's show you the code for this. Since it already showed this in Bali, let me see in the code. As you can see, when a command is inputted, you can see the command is input command is comes here and it is executed based on what type of command is inputted about reverse etc. But if the inputted command doesn't fall under those command, it shows unknown command plus the command that was inserted. For example, unknown command xxxx. That's how this validation is done. I've done a lot of validation, so I'll press S here. Next is the validation where, for example, if I enter move, it doesn't show it. The move doesn't work. For example, if I press move, it shows error missing distance for the movement. Now I'll show you the code for how it works. In the code where is the movement, okay, OVE movement, handle movement. As you can see, the handle movement uh, method requires two parameters. One is the name of the move command and a parameter. It is divided into two parts, and if the parts is longer than two or smaller than two, I guess it doesn't show this missing distance for movement. For example, if you only type move and it's smaller than two, that's why it shows missing distance for movement. So that's how this thing work. So I'll press S here. Okay, next is move xxx with a non-numeric parameter should report. Okay, let's see. Move xxx invalid distance value. Let's see how it works. Let's see, it's in the handle movement. Distance can be negative. Yeah, um, when the handle movement is divided into two parts, one part is the move method and other part is the parameter, and it checks if it's a number format or not. If it's not in a number format, it shows the invalid distance validation. So that's how this works. So I'll press S. Now for this bounce parameter, as for the bound parameters, I haven't made I haven't been able to make the turtle not be able to go outside the screen or warp from the other side of the screen. 200, like it can go out of the screen. Move 50. I haven't done that. Reverse 250. Clear. Yes, but I have made sure that that in move and reverse handle movement method, I made sure the move and reverse command cannot be negative or like go above 1000. Like it cannot go above 1000. Like yeah, and it cannot be negative. Move minus 100. Distance can be negative. Reset clear clear. As for the angle, angle cannot be negative or exceed 0 to 60 degrees. Okay, let me show you in the code. In the handle movement, I have made sure the distance can be negative, and I forgot I didn't make it. The distance can go over 1000. Okay, sorry about that. But in this handle turn command, I have made sure that it cannot be negative, nor it can exceed the value of 0 to 360. That's how I have done this. Like you can pass you can't. So you can pass negative number, exceed a large number. So in your code, and so yeah, I've done this part. Now we are in requirement 4, saving and loading. Save command. Yeah, this save command works to save an image in the turtle. For example, let me draw a square 100, then circle 100, turn left, sorry, left 90, uh, move 100. And my save command just directly saves the drawing that is here. Like I will show you the code for it. Mm, Save is store image to file. Uh, I have implemented the save image method command by using an image IO, which is to save the image in the PNG form, which is named turtle image.png, and only one image can be saved at a time, and the image is saved in the src folder of my code. You can see it's here. Wait, yeah, it's here, and I can even edit this, so it's good. I can even edit this and stuff. Okay, second, yeah. This is done. As for the load, let me pause. I need to clear it before loading. Yeah, clear. Yes, and after that, reset, then load. And my uh, when I'm loading, clearing, there's this GUI box, dialog box come that reminds me if I want to save my drawing before loading or clearing it. And if I load it, like look, you can see the same image has been loaded. Now I'm gonna show you how this is done. My retrieve image from file is used. So for this part, yeah. So this time, for yeah, to be frank, it just checks whether the data image .png file is present in the src folder or not. And again, image.io is used to read the image. So when I use this command, the drawing is loaded. And if the drawing is not there, like if it's not saved in the src in turtle image.png, it shows that no drawing is found. That's it. So I have done this. Next, okay, save all as commands. Let's see. I think I should. Yeah, it's okay. I have used a lot of commands, so like using this would be a little bit bad, but it's okay. Let me should save commands command. It says the command has been saved successfully. And in here you can see that the other commands have been used. Like I have used all these commands this whole time. Is Let me show you the code for it. And, yeah, stored commands to file. It just saves the commands in the txt file extension, and the sprint writer is used in tutor commands is used to write in tutor command.txt, which shows the previously used commands, and this command log is an array, and it checks if the command is valid or not. Like even if I type only move, it's a command that has been typed, but it checks whether it's valid or not, and then only it will store in this tutor commands.txt. So yes, I've done this. Okay, next is the load a file, text for file. Yeah, let's try this. For this, I have to like clear the image. Yeah, for this, I have to clear the image. Yes, then load commands. Yes, and it does everything that have been done since I started. Like it will do everything, so it might take a long time. Like it does everything that I did. Yeah, see, I made some mistakes at the beginning when like moving forward, and see, it's, it is doing everything that I did from the beginning, so it might take a long time, but it's all right. Okay, let's wait for it to complete doing this. It should make a circle here. Yeah, it's doing a thing. Let me check the this retrieve commands from file is used. Mm, yeah. First command for this command file checks if the total command does txt file is exist or not, and if it exists, it will use this buffer reader to implement the commands and clear the command log array that was used to check whether commands were mm, yeah that were used to check the commands were valid or not. I also use a lot of error handlings here, like you can see if command looks up, if the command didn't load, fail to load commands, and etc. And the terror is done, so I should say yes here. Warning is displayed when the current is saved or not. The display is not ever under. Yeah, as I have shown you, the warning display has been shown multiple times when I use the clear and load commands. The bottom question also asks whether or not have you GUI dialog box shows mm, that the save the drawing is displayed or not. Okay, let's go to the commands where there is clear and the clear commands. You can see if unsaved changes, like if the changes are not saved, the message is shown like you have unsaved it clear anyway, and if I say yes, the drawing is like cleared. And as for load, mm, yeah, I should just go for save commands. Yeah, store commands and retrieve. When the commands are retrieved, like loaded, it's also shows the save current commands before loading when the unsaved changes. as well as for the load image. Yeah, when I'm retrieving or loading the image, it shows the same thing. You can see the code, as well as if I like try to clear it, you can see the dialog box comes. And if I like load, also the dialog box comes. Even if I like press load commands, the dialog box will still come. So I should press S here and here. Now to the final inheritance. Alright, and dance. Yeah, let me show you when. Let me clear it. And about, when I use about, it still does the same dance, but it also show this. There's the press where the command shift it will show that enhanced graphics, but because it shows my name here, so yes, it does it. And the about, yeah, so about info, it just show the about and it shows my name here. Yeah, that's it. So yes, yes, I have implemented the square command. Let me show you square. Oh, sorry. SQUARE. Yeah. Draw a square command paths. Okay, let me show it to you. Yeah. Square is then where it also checks whether it also divides the square input into two parts. Into one is the command and other is the parameter. And if it's smaller than this, the size is missing. And if negative into negative number is put, it so the square must be positive, and if the size is invalid, it's so not valid. Like, but by using this draw four sides save, yes, which is uh, inherited from LBU graphics, it creates a square. Let me show you an example. Let me clear this. Clear. Yes. Square 100, and here is the square. So yes, and for the pin RGB, yeah, let me show you the pin. It should be near the pin width. It's really at the bottom, like is the pin thickness is here. Store image, retrieve. It should be nearby here. Let me see. It should be a little bit up. Yeah, here it is. The set custom paint color. It uses, and you know the parts one is just divided into four parts, the command and three numbers. And if the value must be between 0 to 255, and it doesn't take a text value. So this is how it works. And the one for it's here with paint, paint up, paint down, black, red, reset, clear, save, circle, square, paint color. Yeah, it's the paint color. I will show you paint color. COLOUR color 100, and the paint color has been changed. Let's left 90, move 100. It's a gray color, I guess. Yeah, and this is how this paint RGB one moves. And as for the paint white, I can show you the paint white was. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, it's the paint white is here. And as for the paint white, it was near the bottom. Yeah, it's the paint thickness. It does it converts in two parts and like checks whether it's possible or not, and it should be not a text. And it uses the LBU graphics inheritance. Okay, let's pen width 5, move 100. It increases the width of the pen. Yeah, that's it. So yes, and for the triangle, I've made a single one for both of this, and that is, wait, let me show you triangle. Yeah, yeah, it's a triangle shape. If one side is given, it's an equilateral triangle, so it will make an equilateral triangle. But if three sides are given, it will make a scale in triangle. That's why a triangle needs one or three parameters, not in between. You can see it divides into two parts and four parts and check whether the given parts are in text or number or like that. You can do reset, clear, sorry, clear, triangle 100. It will make a triangle here, and clear triangle 100, 150, and 170. It should make a, yeah, it makes a scale in triangle. Yeah, that's how this do work. So I'll say yes. And things are not the specified requirement in maximum anything area. I added an help box which shows what commands can be used, as well as I added a circle command using inheritance from LBU graphics. Yeah, that's how I did it. Let me show you for the circle one. Circle. Yeah, here is the circle. It's again divided into parts and it uses the radius, and this is from the LView graphics, inherited from LView graphics. As for the first, like this thing as string message that shows what commands are used, you can, okay, let me like close this and again run it. You can see that uh, a box is created that shows what commands I can use, like about and what it does and stuff like that. That's are the extra things that I added, and I would like to say thank you. Yes, 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 and I will like add this link in like as soon as I can. So thank you.